I'm going to show you how you can report your bug using Claude Code or any AI while using Crosscheck. But before that, I want to show you something. For now, you're just taking the screenshot and you're giving it to your Claude Code, and it has to guess what was the actual bug. Stop doing this. You're just doing data entry for Claude Code. That's it. Instead of that, you need to use Crosscheck. You need to copy this command from here, and you need to paste it. This will connect your Claude Code with your MCP server. After that, for example, I was testing this page, and I'm going to use a screen recording for now. While testing, I found out it is not telling us the actual total price. Create the check. Here we are. Now, using this way, your Claude Code will also see the consoles, it will see the networks, it will see the actions, everything that is needed to debug your actual bug. You can also add a comment here. I noticed subtotal is not right. Now you just need to copy this link and give it to your Claude. Rest it will handle it in itself. And here we go. As you can see, it pulls all the consoles, all the network tabs, all the network 22 calls, all the comments as well. That's it. That's how bug report should work in the time of AI.